Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit an image with Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is just come here to Google AI Studio, just open up a new chat and then select the appropriate model. Okay, choose a model that is capable of image processing. So I'll click here and the first one right here, if you scroll the way up, we have Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. This one is capable of image processing. Okay, it's called Nano Banana. So you go ahead and select that and then you can go ahead and add your image. So click on this plus icon and then you can choose from your drive as well. I'll just go ahead and upload a file. Okay, so we'll click on that and let's go ahead and scroll down and select our image. I'll select this image right here, open this up, and now we need to type in our prompt. Let's say, for example, add a majestic crown to the dog in this photo. Okay, so this is a natural language model. You need to be specific with what you're trying to achieve. And I have chosen the subject as well. I've specified that. So the dog. Right? And here is the object we're adding. So if I come here to the right hand side, we scroll down, here's the aspect ratio. Make sure you select the appropriate one so you get the exact thing you want. So this one is actually 16 by 9. I'll pick that. We'll stick with that. Okay, and then let's just hit run and the model will now work its magic and add a majestic crown to the dog in the photo. There you go. That actually looks amazing, right? And it has maintained the style for us as well. What I'll do, I'll go a step further and give another prompt. Let's say turn this image into a watercolor painting, right? We'll change the style entirely, hit run, and let's wait. Okay, there we go. And it has actually maintained the crown for us as well. Okay, and that is how to edit an image with Google AI Studio.